going to wash and julienne some vegetables. That's gonna go with. So yeah, go on, Derek. We're gonna wash and julienne our vegetables. That's gonna go with our asparagus or garlic sausage. Alright, so first off, let's wash the bell peppers. Wash that nicely. Set it back over there. Wash that nicely. Set it back over there. Alright, so we're just gonna remove about that much. Red bell pepper. Need a little bit more. So this is done. Always clean this thing out. So bitter, especially in a stir fry. So we're gonna julienne that, and I'm julienne on the bias. I don't want no long strip. All right, julienne on the bias. In a plate. So there we have it. Bell peppers. Then we're gonna julienne our onions just like this, just the same. So, julienne. Bam. Have it. Julienne onions. We're just gonna go right here. It's a medley. And that's our garlic coarse chop. So what were you saying?
Nothing. Do you think? I was just letting you know mushrooms should be washed because they're herb. They picked up from the grass or wherever. But I don't know. But they need to be washed.
Mushroom is a fungi or fungus or whatever they want to call it.
Okay, it still needs to be washed.
Mushroom is a hurt vegetable. So it's very earthy. So when you wash all that earthiness from the mushroom, it becomes soft and
You're not washing it with a soap. You just rinsing it like
any impurities that's in the mushroom, heat will remove it.
Okay.
There we have it. So it's gonna transfer that onto the plate. And we don't wanna overlap any other vegetable. Just like that. So we're gonna head and tail these and wash them. Good. So remove the rubber band. You remove that. Remove the rubber band. Remove that. Good. Cut that in half. Let's go. So about that much. And people, they just normally just barely skim the top because this top and bowl. I'll do the same for these ones. Heads or whatever, tail. I don't go tail, but whatever. So the star of this side dish is garlic sausage. Yeah. Garlic sausage. There you go. So we're just removing this part that Rasta don't eat. It's that little thick part. You know what I mean? So this is German garlic sausage. Heard it's one of the best. Bought like a whole thing about this big. That's left. So we're gonna cube this, or what do you wanna call it? Actually, no, changed my mind. I'm gonna julienne this. Yeah. So half it, and then I'm gonna slice it down, 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 slice it down. Then we're gonna leave that over there. Do the same for this side. Are you seeing everything? Let me know if I should go over something, because repetition is how some people learn. So whatever you want me to go over, leave it in the comment. Alright? So we're gonna julienne that. It's just filled with COVID-19 patients. You might just ended up being a COVID-19 patient for no reason at all. So there you have it. Julienne garlic sausage, or fine bâtonnet. We have our asparagus here. I'm gonna show you how to cook asparagus, because none of you guys know how to cook asparagus. I can't believe I've been watching YouTube for over 10 years now and I still can't see the person who cooks asparagus good. You don't boil asparagus, you don't bake asparagus. So, in a wide frying pan, you need about 4 tablespoons of oil, vegetable oil to be exact. Don't use olive oil because it's gonna be high temperature. Don't use butter. You're gonna fry the asparagus. Alright? So I'm just waiting for this pan to heat up perfectly. You want it, so I'm working on Fahrenheit. And you want it to be about, I'll tell you, you're trying to get it to at least 60 to 80. Okay, so it's climbing. Zoom in on that. It's climbing, so we're going to 60 to about 80 temperature wise. Okay guys, so it's coming, it's getting there. So about 60 to 80 temperature wise. So for me, I like all the smoke, so let's take me up to 80. Take me up to 80 and we'll have a party. No seasoning, nothing yet. Just the asparagus. Okay? Move them around, so they cook evenly. Yeah, you're gonna move them around, so they cook evenly. See that? So the aim is to get it at a dark green. Once it reaches the dark green, we're gonna steam. And then from there, we're gonna add some all-purpose seasoning. Yeah. And finally, some Himalayan salt. Don't cook with no other salt. It's against the law. No.
So you're not gonna try the
1, 2, ready. And then the saute video, look up like this. Alright, wait, just pause it. Pause it. Pause it. To garnish my dish, my side, so we have the sorrel braised beef short ribs. Then we have the sauteed asparagus, and here we have our garlic sausage, onion and mushroom stir fry. It's just like a side, so you'll eat this on the side. You dig? So let's go. So we're already browning the sausage, which looks good. We're gonna add the onions and the garlic. All right. And Merry Christmas to everybody that's watching. So you're gonna saute that up. You're gonna add all your stuff to that. So inside the pan was no oil. All the fat came from the sausage. That's why I browned the sausage first. So all the fat came from the sausage. And the sausage has, you know, sausage. It has a little salt, little seasoning in it. So there's not much that you need to add. But I'm gonna add some hellfire. I'm gonna fry that up nicely. The dessert can go. But this is very warm. That's really so 1 hour 350, double check. So we're gonna add a splash of olive oil, cool down that. There we go.
Should I put it on the top?
Yeah, right there.
Wait.
Oh, that gets cooking.
What?
Tell us that gets cooking.
The cake?
Yeah?
Why?
You're supposed to go in and come out. So some of O'Shane's blend with my hellfire. Get that all sauteed up. Ready? Here we have it, ready to be served. So that's what my Christmas dinner looks like. I'm awaiting my nice, beautiful fruit cake, and my girlfriend made for me.
Mm-hmm.